Hello guys, my name is Yash. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn the basic introduction of networking in Java. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you don't miss any updates. Java networking is a concept of connecting two or more computing devices together so that we can share resources. Computers which are running on the internet communicate with each other with the help of either transmission control protocol, that is TCP, or the user datagram protocol, that is UDP. Protocols are the set of rules and regulations to transfer data from one computer to other in the network or internet. When a programmer writes Java program which communicate over the network, he or she is programming at the application layer. There are 7 layers. These are the 7 layers. Typically, programmers don't need to concern with TCP and UDP layers because Java has provided several classes under java.net package for networking. The network communication provided by these classes are system independent. However, to decide the suitable Java classes for our applications, we have to understand the IP, TCP, and UDP first. IP stands for Internet Protocol, which is the set of rules governing the format of data sent via the internet or local network. Internet protocol is connectionless and considered as unreliable protocol. It ensures no guarantee of success regarding the transmission of data in the network. To make it reliable, we have to pair it with a reliable protocol like TCP at the transport layer. The data is transferred in the form of datagram by the Internet protocol. TCP, Transmission Control Protocol, is a connection-oriented protocol that provides a reliable flow of data between two computers. When there is need to set communication between two applications, then a connection is established between them and data is sent back and forth over the connection or forwarded over the connection. This is similar to making a phone call to a friend. When we dial phone number of a friend and he receives it, a connection is established. Data is sent back and forth over the connection by the way of speaking to each other over the phone lines. Same as of service provider of phone, TCP makes it sure that the data which has been sent from one end of the connection will definitely reach to the other end with the same order as it was sent. Otherwise, it will report an error. A point-to-point channel is provided by TCP for applications which need reliable communication. There are some applications which need a reliable communication channel. For example, the Hypertext Transfer Protocol (HTTP), File Transfer Protocol (FTP), and Telnet. For the success of these applications, the most important aspect is the order in which the data is sent and received over the network. UDP, User Datagram Protocol, is a protocol that sends independent packets of data called datagrams from one computer to another with no guarantee about the arrival. The communication provided by UDP between two applications on the network does not provide assurance about reliable transfer of data to destination. UDP is not considered as connection-oriented like TCP. Instead, independent packets of data are sent from one application to other by it, which are known as datagrams. Sending datagrams is considered as similar to sending letters via the postal service. The delivery sequence is not important and also not guaranteed. For some applications, the guarantee of reliability regarding data transfer is very important. While in some forms of communication, there are no such strict standards. In fact, their speed decreases because of extra overhead of reliability. Consider an example of a clock server which sends the current local time to its client whenever got any request. If because of some reason the client misses a packet, it will not be useful to resend the packet since the time will not be correct when the client receives it in the next attempt. Streaming media, real-time multiplayer games are examples of applications that often use UDP. A proxy server is a bridge between you and the rest of internet. Normally, when you use your browser to surf the internet, you connect directly to the website you are visiting. Proxies communicate with websites on your behalf. In computer networks, a proxy server is a server that acts as an intermediary for requests from clients seeking resources from other servers. When you use an online proxy, your browser first connects to the proxy and the proxy forwards your traffic to the website you are visiting. That's why proxy servers are also known as forward proxies. And internet proxy will also receive the website's response and send it back to you. So what's the difference between VPN and proxy server? A VPN secures all your network traffic while a proxy works on an application level. They both hide your IP address, but only a VPN redirects your internet data through an encrypted tunnel. A proxy is suitable for browsing the internet, but it's not as safe and secure as VPN. The devices which are connected to the internet are known as nodes. Nodes which are in the form of computers are known as hosts. The node or host exists on internet as identified by one unique number, which is known as internet address or IP address. Most of the IP addresses are 4-byte long IPv4 addresses. This is the example of IPv4 address. However, a small but day-by-day increasing number of IP addresses are IPv6 addresses, which are basically 16-byte long. The general form of an IPv6 address is 8 blocks of 4 hexadecimal digits which are separated by colons. This is the example of IPv6 addresses. If you like this video, share it with your friends and also don't forget to like.